भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। So you have finished Udaharana Vakyas, right? In the last class.
No, we haven't finished.
Ka Vibhaga we finished. Ka Vibhaga we finished, Amma.
Oh, this second Sanskrit Banava also.
इसमें का विभाग, in that का विभागा is done.
Okay.
प्राण का विभागा से करना है.
हाँ. I have to learn Hindi also. From here. Yes. Please start. These are not yet pratyas.
Punagi, you're not sharing the screen. I don't see the screen.
Oh, I haven't. Sorry. Okay. From Kha, Mahaprana Kha onwards, fifth one. The number is 5.
Can I?
Yes.
अपने शरीर के सभी अंगों को स्वच्छ रखो। शरीरस्य सर्वाणि अंगानि शुचिः स्थापयन्तु।
Should it be sthapaya Purnaji or sthapayatu? Is it Uttama Purusha?
Not Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, but not Ekavachanam. Bahuvachanam.
So it should be sthapayatu then?
No, Sthapayatu is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Sthapaya is
Madhyam Purusha Ekavachanam.
Is Madhyam Purusha Ekavachanam. What is the Bahuvachanam? Madhyam Purusha Ekavachanam.
Sthapayatha. I think.
Ma, this is lot lakara or lat lakara?
Lot.
Lot sthapayantu.
Sthapayantu.
Lot Sthapayantu, no?
Amma.
Oh, you are using niche. Right? Why niche is required here? Okay, they have given P. Sthapi. Okay, Adideshka Dhatu it's. Sthapayata. Bahuvachanam is Sthapayata.
Okay.
Next.
So sthapi is referring to niche prayog?
Niche is not, Sthapi is not referring niche prayoga. It is niche prayoga. It is niche pratyaya. That's why it is getting pakara. By arte hril vi rikno yikshma yatam pungnau. By this sutra, niche pratyaya will get pakara adesha.
Okay. So sthapayatha.
Ha.
Thank you.
So they have given Atideshika Dhatu as Sthapi. If you look at that Nijanta Prayoga, they have given Sthapi as the Dhatu. I will show you. Here they have given Atideshika Dhatu. Atideshika Dhatu means, I will explain tomorrow. There is a different meaning for Atideshika Dhatu.
Thank you.
Yeah, here
So
they have
Sthapayatha. Where?
Sthapayata, only in this one. Sthapayata.
Kalpapa. Okay.
Yeah. Next one.
Okay.
Can you repeat, Anusha? What is the Vakyam?
स्व शरीरस्य सर्वाणि अंगानि शुचिः स्थापयत
Okay, if you
स्थापयन्तु अన్నాను.
you make it together, Swa and Sharira, that is okay. If you give gap between Swa and Sharira, then you have to add Sya. Swasya Sharirasya or Swasharirasya, one word. Samastapada.
स्वशरीरे
If you open the
Swasharira.
Samastapada, Swasharirasya. Swasya Sharirasya. Sarvani Angani.
अंगानि शुचिः स्थापयन्तु.
Next.
अपने हाथ पांव मुंह बाल नाक कान आंख जीभ त्वचा उंगली अंगूठा नाखून नाभि पेट कमर और जीभ की स्वच्छ और सुंदर रखो. स्वस्य हस्तौ पादौ आननं केशान् नासिकां बहुवचन द्विवचन कर्णौ.
Which vibhakti you are using?
Wherever there is for karnau, two is there, then I am using dual.
No. Vibhakti I am asking.
Vibhakti prathama.
Prathama.
One's own heart.
And then what did you say? Kesha?
Keshan. Kesham.
Keshan is
Keshaha. Keshaha, then we have to take akaranta only. Keshaha, Keshav, Keshaha. Nitya bahuvachan Keshaha. Can I take Keshaha?
Yes.
Swasya hastau padau ananam keshaha nasikam.
Sorry, why is it hastau? I don't understand.
2 hands.
Yeah, this both.
2 hands.
Oh, okay. It is not first one ekavachanam.
Not be
No,
hastaha.
Yeah.
Apne haath means only one hand. If one is having, then ekavachana. Maybe I am thinking 2 hands will be naturally there. So I took dual case, amma.
Yes.
Swasya hastau padau ananam keshaha nasikam karnau netram.
Nasikam Pratipadika is what?
Nasika, Kesham.
Nasika is
Nasikam, neuter gender, no, Amma.
no. What is the Pratipadika?
Nasa.
Huh?
Nasam, I think, Amma.
Then how ka comes?
Huh?
How ka comes? You are saying Nasikam, na?
Nasam, Nasam, Swan,
No, Nasika is the Pratipadika.
Then if it is Nasika, then it is Strilinga, no, Amma. Akaranta Strilinga Shabda.
Yes.
Then Nasika,
Hmm.
Swasya Nasika,
Hmm.
then Karnav,
Hmm.
Netram Netre, to Netre, Jihva, Jihva, Tvacha,
Tvacha. Tvacha is which vibhakti?
I took only singular, no, Amma, only one thing, whole skin as a.
Vibhakti. You listen the question carefully. I did not ask the Vachana. I'm asking Vibhakti.
Tvacha, then I should say Tvak.
Yes.
Tvak will be okay, Amma.
But Tvacha is which vibhakti?
Tvacha, Tvak. Amma, Tvacha is which vibhakti?
Tritiya
I
ekavachanam.
Tritiya Ekvachanam. Okay.
Tvacha
Oh.
by Tvak.
Amma,
Tritiya is ta pratyaya.
Kalam Shabda.
No, Tritiya is ta pratyaya. Tvak. Kakara change into chakara. Plus ta. What
Tvacha.
happens?
Then I can say Tvak.
Yes.
Tvak. And then Angulihi. Angulihi. Anguli, so many are there, no? Then Angulihi. Angulihi. Then Angulihi.
Anguli is Pullinga or Strilinga?
Anguli is Strilinga, no? Harayaha, it will be Ikaranta. Ikaranta Strilinga, I'm thinking, Amma.
Okay, you continue.
Then Anguli, Nakun.
Ikaranta Strilinga. Dirgha Ikaranta Strilinga. Not Anguli.
Nadi Shabda. Like that, Amma.
Angulyaha. Yes, Nadi Shabda. Like Nadi Shabda. But here what they have given in chapter 40?
They have not mentioned, Amma.
Angulihi they have given. Prasva means they have given like Hari Shabda. But Anguli is not the Pullinga Shabda. Anguli is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda.
Ikaranta Stringa Nadivat.
Hmm.
If we take, then the Vakti Vachana.
You can correct in your book
Angulihi.
also. You have Angulihi is not correct. Anguli is the Shabda there.
Anguli. Okay.
Yeah, I will show here. Here. It should be Anguli, not Angulihi. Anguli. The Hindi they have given, that is correct. Dirgha. Okay, continue.
Dirgha Ikaranta Nadi Nadyo Nadyaha.
Yes.
Angulyaha.
Yes.
Angulyaha. Then Angushtam. Angushta. Hindi is Angushta. Then it is then Angushtam is the Napunsakalinga. Then Angushtam Nakun. Nakun.
If it is prathama vibhakti, it will be angushtha. Angushta is the pratipadika.
Is that Shabda is there Angushtah in Shabdakosha?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
yes. In at the beginning
Karanta
itself is there. It is Pullinga.
Karanta Pumlingaha. Angushtah. अंगुष्टः फिर नाखून नाखून के लिए क्या पद नखा नखम
Nakaha.
नकम नकः
Not Nakam, Nakaha.
नकः 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 नकौ नकाः नकाः नाभिः नाभिः then नाभिः and पेट उदरम कमर कटिम जीभ 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 के लिए जीभ
Jifwa.
जिह्वा स्त्रीलिंग I should take जिह्वम जिह्वा 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 च स्वच्छः सुंदरम च रखो स्थापय सुंदरम च स्थापय
Punaji, just clarification.
No. Here, Swasya, one's own. So when Swasya came, it should be Uttam Purusha, right?
स्वस्य one's own उत्तम पुरुष उत्तम पुरुष
Earlier
in
also,
possessive case
earlier Vakya is also Uttam Purusha or?
No, it is madhyama because it says rakho. It is, we are telling somebody else to put their own angas in the right places.
Okay.
then
Okay.
it is tvam sthapaya
Okay.
Is it stapaya tha or is it stapaya?
rakho if we take as
Madhyama purusha bahuvachanam.
Are we telling many people or are we telling one person?
We are telling one person to put many things in their place.
Then it should be follow the karta, sthapaya.
Okay, then that should be true.
Kriya pada should follow the karta. If karta is in ekavachanam, then kriya pada should be in ekavachanam. So the earlier one also is telling one person.
Then it is one person. Yeah.
Okay. Then earlier one also sthapaya only.
Okay.
Sorry.
Then all these angas will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti, no, Amma?
That's why I had written
Yes.
it.
Then all whatever I said will be wrong.
Not
Then
all actually.
subject is-
Not all. Not
No.
all.
See, all are not in Vidya. All are in ekavachanam only.
No, the vibhakti.
कर्म में
Vibhakti,
कर्म
sorry.
में द्वितीय विभक्ति होना कर्म में द्वितीय विभक्ति होना है
All are in Prathama only.
Why is it prathama? Because it says ko. So if we are having kartari prayog, kartruvacha, then karma should be in dvitiya. No?
Here our angas are Yushmat Pratyaya. So
When we say your hands, so
Then, Amma,
Your hands are different from you, I think.
Ah,
Mama, one thing, Amma, here, Swan, when we say it will become Shashti Vibhakti, Amma, Swasya. Swasya, one's own, no, belonging to. Then
Hmm.
it will be in Shashti and all these Angas will be in Prathama.
hmm.
Then it will be okay, Amma. Then Swasya, one's own, for that Shashti Vibhakti will be
Upendraji, by which niyama? If it is Shashti, then all are should be in Prathama. By which niyama?
Niyama. Amma, just with English grammar I am saying, Amma, I don't know about Sanskrit.
Okay, okay.
Because when we say belongs to,
Huh,
all that which belongs to will be in the first case only, no, nominative case.
huh.
Like that I was thinking.
Okay. Prabhaji, you are saying something?
No, I was just I was just saying that it becomes Dvitiya because of it's Yushmat Pratyaya is what I was saying, but no, it's just
No, it's all in Prathama only. Your hands. Okay, when we say be clean your hands.
You keep your hands clean and beautiful. In that statement, you is the subject, Amma.
Huh,
Your is possessive case. Apna, kudka.
okay. I don't
Then
know. What is the Telugu word for possessive case?
మీ యొక్క
Uh-huh.
మీరు మీ యొక్క చేతుల్ని సుందరముగా శుభ్రంగా ఉంచుకోండి.
There, చేతుల్ని welcome. చేతులు.
మీ యొక్క చేతులుని
Huh.
తెలుగులో అప్పుడు నీ వస్తుందమ్మా, ఇంగ్లీష్ లో హ్యాండ్స్ అనే వస్తుంది.
in English the hands are not Prathama Vibhakti necessarily. Prathama, Dvitiya, everything will be similar. Right?
Because there is no case ending in the English. Amma, again tomorrow I will tell Amma detailedly. I will work about this.
I
You
will
also think.
also find out that whether it is in Prathama or Dvitiya. But I have it is Prathama only in my notes, but I will check and I will correct that. Next.
So, Purnaji, one clarification towards the end. Shuchini, Sundarani, cha sthapaya. Is that right? Or because it is
Shuchi only.
only Shuchi? Okay, Shuchi,
It's
Sundar.
Avyaya-padam. Shuchi is Avyaya-padam.
Okay.
There is no vibhaktis for Shuchi. Shuchihi, yes. We can decline, but here only Shuchihi. Some places Shuchau, that usage is there.
So Purnaji, just a point here. I'm sorry, we are talking about the same thing. But in this, when it says in Hindi, right? So it's saying Hath, etc., ko. So ko is generally karma. So that's why Dvitiya Vibhakti. That's what I think Umaji was saying.
Okay.
I have also this thing with Dvitiya karma only, but I have corrected. Sundarani is right?
Not Sundarani, Sundaram.
Sundaram, okay.
Sundaram. Okay, we can keep all those as in Dvitiya. We'll keep that. Okay, next Vakya.
Sharire raktam mansam asthini cha bhavanti. I forgot to read this. शरीर में रक्त मांस और अस्थियां होती हैं.
अस्थिया
Asthini.
which vibhakti?
Asthini.
Raktam mamsam anyway prathama dvitiya both are same.
Asthini is Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. Sharire
It should be
Raktama.
prathama. It should be prathama. In the body,
Okay.
blood, mamsa,
Mansam, Asthi, bones.
there.
Right, Asthi is bones only. Cha Bhavanti.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Next. Next vakya.
Should I say it?
Hmm?
Should I say it?
Others.
शिखा कल्याण और कीर्ति के लिए होती है. शिखा, it will शिखा कीर्ति ही कल्याणम च. So शिखा
के लिए is which
so
will
the sixth, right?
No, Chaturthi, I think.
Chaturthi.
Oh, right.
So Kalyanaya and Kirtyai.
Yes.
शिखा कल्याणायै
Kalyanaya.
कल्याणाय कीर्त्यै च अस्ति santi. No, stah. I've said everything. Sorry.
Shikha. Shikha is one or many?
One.
One only.
Braid one.
And then Kriya Pada should be
Asti. Asti. Sorry.
Okay. Next.
What is it वाक्य? वह गांव से आता हुआ सुगंधित फूल वृक्ष से तोड़ता है. सह ग्रामात् आगत्य वृक्षात् सुगंधित पुष्पाणि आददाति.
Sugandhit Pushpani. Sugandhit is which padam? What kind of padam? Sugandhitani Pushpani. Sugandhitani is the Visheshana for Pushpani. So Sugandhitani Pushpani.
Okay, so I put there is one word, Sugandhit Pushpani. Okay, so you are saying separate. Okay.
गाँव से आता हुआ, is it present or past tense?
आता हुआ, so past na, so सह ग्रामात् आगत्य. गांव से आता हुआ, so I said सह ग्रामात् आगत्य वृक्षात् सुगंधित पुष्पाणि आददाति.
Ata hua would be Shatru, not Lyap, right?
Agachan.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's Shatru.
Agachan, I thought. No?
Yes. While coming.
While coming.
While coming. Okay. Next vakya.
वह स्वच्छ जल देता है. सः स्वच्छ जलम प्रददाति.
Swacham jalam.
स्वच्छं जलं प्रददाति.
Not pradadati.
Okay, प्रददाति.
Next.
मुनि मनोहर वचन कहता है. ऋषिः सुंदरम वचनम अभिदाति. सुंदर वचनम अभिदाति अम्मा. सुंदरम वचनम अभिदाति is right.
Abhidadhati.
अभिददाति.
वह स्वच्छ वस्त्र से नाक बांध करता है। अपिधा सः शुचिना वस्त्रेण नासिकाम् अपि धत्ते।
That is of which form?
धत्ते आत्मनेपदे अम्मा प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन।
म अपि दधाति
Even I wrote abhidadati.
Yes, api dadhati. So he is doing for whom we don't know. Whether he is doing for himself or he is doing for others. Right? Atmanepadi, when we use, we have to see the dhatu, whether it is nakara itsangna or not. Ani, nya. And also he is doing for himself or not. So he is not doing, we are not sure whether he is doing himself or not. And dha dhatu is, yeah, but here itself we can conclude it is not Atmanepadi.
Apidha api dadhati will be right, amma. Dadhati. Saha suchin
Upendraji, can you
vastreణ.
say the whole sentence if you don't mind, please?
Saha suchina vastreణ nasikam api dadhati.
Thank you. Purnaji, one question in the 11th statement. Can we say Manohari Vachanam or Manoharam Vachanam?
Manoharani Vachanani.
Vachanani.
Because Vachana is in plural, so Manoharani Vachanani. Next.
Amma, here Vastra is which the third, no? Vibhakti. Vastrena.
Yes. Next.
वह गांव से आकर यहाँ काम करता है। सः ग्रामात् आगत्य अत्र कार्यं विदधाति।
Next.
सः शुचिनी वस्त्राणि परिदधाति।
Shuchini, why Shuchini?
Can
You have to use the Napumsakalinga Shabda.
okay, so then
Shuddhani we can use.
Shuddhani. Okay.
Even if you use Shuchi, Shuchya, but generally
Shuddhani
the Visheshya, whatever is the Visheshya, Vachana, Linga, everything will follow the Visheshana.
Yeah.
Shuddhani. Next.
वह पत्ते पर फूल रखता है। सः पत्राणि पुष्पं स्थापयति। One flower I'm saying.
Okay, can you say the in English Vakya?
He's keeping flower in leaves.
So then Patram should be in which way Vibhakti?
Patram also will be in Prathama only. Patram. Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Why Dvitiya? What will be there in Dvitiya? Karma.
Karma.
Here it is locus, adhikarana.
Right, it's adhikarana. So no, it will not be then prathama only then. Patram.
Saptami.
Saptami.
Oh, it will be lower than saptami vibhakti it is.
What is the saptami vibhakti?
Patrasya.
Patre.
Patre.
Not
Sapatre. Sahapatre. Sahapatre. Pushpam. Sthapayati.
Nidadhati is wrong, Purnaji. Nidadhati.
Nidadhati is also correct. Next.
वह गुरु पर श्रद्धा करता है. सह गुरु पर चतुर्थी विभक्ति है और षष्ठी सप्तमी.
Tritiya we can use towards Guru.
Towards Guru.
सह गुरुं श्रद्धां करोति.
Purnaji, just a question.
Hmm.
So usually when it's trust or shraddha, isn't it supposed to be saptami?
By which niyama?
No, I thought I learned it long back. I don't know the niyama.
So in the Udaharana Vakya, it says Dharme Shraddha Dhati. So
Dharme, because in dharma, you have to have shraddha in dharma.
yeah, and so it's here Shraddha in Guru. Par is locus, right?
So it will be seventh.
Okay. Okay.
Guru.
Okay, then.
So Gurau then.
Huh.
Saha Gurau Shraddha Dhati then, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But there is no such niyama. If it is Shraddha, then it should be in Saptami, because Shraddha Bhakti, what is the Kaivalya mantra?
Jnana Shraddha Bhakti Dhyana Vaira Dhyana. Oh gosh.
Dhyana Yoga Davaihi.
Dhyana Yoga Davaihi, right.
So it can be based on the Vakya only. Okay. Next.
शिशु चोर से डरता है. शिशु चोरात बिभेति.
योतः शत्रोः मित्रं त्रायते.
Next. Next. Only two words are there.
गुरु से विद्या पढ़ता है. परशुरामः गुरोः विद्याम् अधीते. गुरोः विद्याम् पठति और अधीते.
What is the Panchami?
गुरोः.
Gurushta.
गुरोः.
Yes. Guroho vidyam adhite. Next.
ज्ञानम के बिना मुक्ति नहीं होती. ज्ञानम मृते मुक्ति ही ना भवति और नास्ति.
Na vartate, na siddhyati. Any kriya pada we can use.
Okay.
Is it Muktim?
Muktihi.
Mukti, yeah.
Yes. Prathama ekavachanam.
And what will be for Jnanam? It will be Jnanam or?
Jnanam is also Prathama ekavachanam only.
Okay.
Both are in Prathama ekavachanam.
Isn't there a verse?
Vina for, okay.
Yeah, bhavati. There is a, isn't there?
Hmm. Yes, she said, na. That's why I'm saying bhavati, vartate, siddhyati, anything you can use.
No, but it is not. Is it muktihi na bhavati or muktim na bhavati?
Jnanam vina muktihi na bhavati.
Oh, it's not muktim.
No. Is it clear?
Yes, Bhataji. Okay.
Ma, Gnan ke means Panchami, can we use? Ma?
They have given vina, rute. Rute means vina, without jnanam. Without jnanam, there won't be any mukti. How can we use Panchami here?
Just I am seeing that Prachaya ke no, Ma. So only I am thinking like that.
Okay, this vakya is jnanam vina muktihi na siddhyati or na bhavati or na vartate. Anything we can use Kriyapada.
I was getting confused with the Bhajagovindam. Jnana vihina sarvamatena muktim na bhajati. So that's why I was asking, is it muktim or mukti? But maybe mukti is correct. Yeah. So
Jnana vihina. Can you repeat the line?
jnana vihina sarvamatena muktim na bhajati. It is
Jnana vihinaha. Have they used Samastapada?
yes.
Otherwise, there is no vibhakti there. Jnana vihinaha sarvamatena muktim na bhajati.
But we can find out later because it is, acharyas, they can use whatever vibhakti they want. So. Muktim na bhajati janmashatena. That is the verse. Jnana vihinaha sarvamatena muktim na bhajati janmashatena. 17th.
Okay. We'll check that. But here muktihi is the prathama, it should be.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamadam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om